Hello students, welcome to my online class. Myself Firoz Sheikh, and today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 3, multiplication. What is multiplication exactly? See, it is a process of adding a particular number of times. For example, suppose let me write, suppose 2 apples plus 2 apples plus 2 apples plus 2 apples. Okay, how much exactly? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so it will be 8 apples. Okay, so this can be, we can write 8, oh sorry, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So 4 times into 2 apples gives you how much? 8 apples. Or simply we can write 4 into 2 equal to 8. So the process of adding a number of times, or we can simply write 4 times. Right now we have example of 4 times. I have written 2 apples, 2 apples, 2 apples, 2 apples 4 times. So it gives you how much? 8 apples. Same thing we can write 4 into 2 apples gives you 8 apples. Or you can say 4 into 2 is 8. This, the process of multiplying a number, is what? Multiplication. Here these two numbers are known as what? Factors, and this is known as what? Product. The result is product. But we can say that this 4 into 2 equal to 8. 4 is the factor of 8, and 2 is also the factor of 8, and 8 is the multiple of 4, and 8 is the multiple of 2 as well. It means 4 is the factor of 8 and 2 is the factor of 2, means whenever we multiply the two numbers we will get 8, and those two numbers are known as what? Factor of this product. And 8 is the multiple of 2, means whenever we multiply 2 with something we will get 8. So 8 will be the multiple of 2. Same thing, 8 is the multiple of 4. Now there are some facts about factors what we need to know. Let's see here. First fact is that if you are multiplying, suppose 2 into 3 equal to how much? 6, or 3 into 2 equal to 6, means 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2, means you can multiply a number in any order, the result will be same. 2 into 3 equal to 6, or 3 into 2 equal to 6, in any order you will multiply. So we can say that we can multiply the number in any order, or we can say that it is what? Commutative. In higher class you will get this word, the commutative property. This is commutative property. Okay, now we can multiply a group of numbers in any way. For example, suppose 2 into 3 into 4. If we multiply 2 into 3 in the first tens and then multiply it with 4, suppose 3 to just 6, 6 into 4, 6 4 just 24. Here also 2 into 3 into 4, you can multiply 3 into 4 at the first tens and then you will multiply it by 2. So 2 into 4 is 12, 24. It means, see, in both the cases we are getting 24, 24. So we can write 2 into 3 into 4. First, if we multiply first two numbers in the first tens, or we can multiply 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 in the second part. We can multiply 3 into 4 in the first tens and then multiply the result with the 2. In both cases we will get the same result, 24, 24. So we can group the number in any way. Okay, so this property in higher class we will come across as the name of associative property. Associative. Okay, now come to the next one, identity. Or you can say whenever you multiply, whenever any number, if you multiply with 6 into 1, whenever you multiply with 1 you will get the same as the number itself. 7 into 1, 7. 9 into 1, 9. 10 into 1, 10. It means whenever you multiply any number with 1, you will get the result number itself. So 1 is the what? Multiplicative identity. In higher class, you will come across this word. 1 will be the multiplicative identity. Anyway, now come to the last fact is what? Whenever you multiply any number, suppose 5 into with 0, you will get the result 0. 10 into 0 equal to 0, 8 into 0 equal to 0. 9 into 0 equal to 0. So whenever you multiply any number with 0, the result will be 0. So I hope you have understood very simple what is multiplication. It is the what? It is the process of adding a number repeated a number of times, or simply it is the product of two factors, and you will get the result as a product. And there are facts. What first one is commutative, means you can multiply in any order. Then the second one is what associative, means you can group the number in any way. The third one is what one will be the multiplicative identity, means whenever you multiply a number with 1, you will get the number itself. And the last one is that whenever you multiply it by 0, any number with 0, you will get result as a 0. So I hope you have understood this one very nicely. Thank you.